Project tracking is all about keeping your project on track and on budget. It helps you to stay organized and to communicate effectively with your team. The best way to track a project is to use a project tracker. There are many project tracker tools available, and each has its strengths and weaknesses. Tracking all your projects can be overwhelming. The key is to prioritize and to focus on the most important projects first. A project manager is responsible for tracking a project. They must ensure that the project stays on track and that everyone is communicating effectively. Jira Project Tracking is a popular project tracking tool used by many companies. It is known for its flexibility and customizability. The benefits of tracking your projects are many. You can identify problems early, communicate more effectively, and make better decisions. You can create a project tracker in Excel quite easily. There are many templates available online that you can use to get started. A project tracking dashboard is a visual representation of your project tracker. It can help you to see at a glance how your project is progressing. Everyone on the project team is responsible for project tracking. It is essential to communicate effectively and to keep everyone informed. A project tracking template is a pre-designed template that you can use to track your project. It can save you time and help you to stay organized. You can create a project tracker in Jira using its custom fields and workflows. Jira also allows you to create custom reports and dashboards to track your project. Remember, effective project tracking is vital for successful project management. By keeping everyone informed and on track, you can achieve your project goals and deliverables.